On this week's installment of Frivolous Fridays, wrench is engraved with the size. So this is a Milwaukee. I've seen some reviews that say they're the best for not backing off. But in the hunt for some correlation between the advertised sizes and the engraved sizes, in the middle of that whole process, something occurred to me. It's a caliper. Look at that. Well, if it isn't 9 millimeters, that's not all. Gonna eyeball this a little bit. About 19 millimeters. You can convert. 19 millimeters is 3/4 of an inch. What do you think of that? Don't have a caliper? Need to estimate the size of something? You want to check the bolt size? Anything like that? Use this.